Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I created this smoky look here, this smoky summertime glam. I kind of just went with the flow and this is what I came up with. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, I know it's been a long time. Sorry, there's no excuse. I have to do better at time management, okay? Okay, starting off with primer. I'm using the Timeless Smoothing Primer by Tarte, and I'll be pushing that into the areas where my pores are bigger. Then taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm cleaning up my brows. Going in with my foundation concoction, I'll be mixing the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation with Estee Lauder Double Wear and buffing that in with an Hourglass brush. So for a while I was on this brush kick, using a brush to blend my foundation out. It just went so much faster than a sponge, but I've switched back to a sponge. I just like the way it looks. It blends it out more evenly. Now I'm taking my Shape Tape Concealer again and using that to prime my eyelids for this eyeshadow girl. Using the 3502 palette for the majority of this look, I'll be first taking this burnt orange shade as my transition color, and I'll be blending that all over the lid and above my crease. I think it's very important to have these transition shades when doing a smoky eye so that you have a gradient effect and not a harsh dark look. Now taking a chocolate brown and a darker burnt orange color, we'll be putting that on the lid and a little bit in the crease, and this is starting to give us some more dimension. Okay, so we're taking this like dark brown and we're packing that on the lid, building up this smoky eye. Every so often you'll see me using this clean brush to diffuse any harsh lines. I felt like I needed to bring the look up a little bit higher, so I took this lighter shade and blended the edges out. Originally, this video was a get ready with me, that's why you see my mouth moving so much, but you can hardly hear me. I need to invest in a microphone, and when I do, I'll be putting out some more videos, some more get ready with me videos than these voiceovers. But for now, you can hear me, so all is good. To create this smoked out wing liner, we're going to take Benefit's roller liner and line our lash line. Now taking this black eyeshadow from Urban Decay's Kaleidoscope palette, we'll be stamping that over top and then flicking the brush outwards and upwards to create the smoked out wing liner. Alright, she moving and grooving. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, one of my favorites. I'll be applying that in all the parts of my face I want to highlight, and then adding the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's a little bit brighter than the Tarte Shape Tape. I'll be blending that out using a beauty blender. Ooh la la. It is setting powder. I don't know why I was being so dramatic with that. I apologize. So I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder and we are setting our face. And I don't leave that on very long. I am taking this powder brush and we're dusting it right off. This next step is very important for your makeup to be summer-proof. We'll be taking the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and setting our under eyes so that we don't get any creasing. And then we'll be placing it into the oily spots of our face, and for me, that is going to be my T-zone. To contour, we'll be using the Park Avenue Princess Palette by Tarte. I'll be using the colors Carrot, Princess Cut, and Angle to contour my nose. And for the rest of my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, and for this video, I did my jawline. I use all of these shades besides the two light ones, so I use all the dark shades for the rest of my face. I don't know why I feel like I need to use all of the colors. I can honestly just use the dark shade, but I use all 1, 2, 3, 4. I use all 4 dark shades for my contouring. And I don't normally do my jawline because I have a pretty structured jawline, but I was feeling a little extra. I'll be taking this Morphe bronzer to bronze up the face and this Jaclyn Hill brush to apply it. For blush, I'll be using my usual ABH Blush Trio in Pool Party. Luckily, my Ulta has finally started carrying the entire line of ABH, and my next purchase will be a new one of these in a different shade. I already know which one I want. Yay, back to our eyes. I'll be taking all of the shades I used at the top and applying it to the bottom. Okay, taking the Smashbox gel liner in black, I'll be lining my waterline, and then I don't know what it's called, but up there I'll be lining that. Then taking my Benefit Roller Lash mascara, I'll be applying that to the bottom lashes. So I actually ran out of my Urban Decay setting spray while filming this video, so instead I took my MAC Fix Plus to set my face and then used my beauty blender to press it in, and then I fanned it out. As you can tell by the look on my face, I'll be using my favorite lip liner. It's in the color Nutmeg by NYX Cosmetics, and we'll be lining our lips. So this lip combination I'm fixing to do has actually been my favorite lip combo, and I've been wearing it pretty much every time I do my makeup since I bought this lipstick. You're fixing to see what lipstick that is. Okay, so this is a nude lipstick from Becca Cosmetics, and this is that lip combination I was telling you about that I've been wearing non-stop. I just love it. It's perfect. And this lipstick is so hydrating, so if you're tired of your lips being dried out from liquid lipsticks, give this one a shot. I approve. And that is a wrap. Here is my summer proof date night brown smoky eye. You like? 'Cause I like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you try out this look on yourself. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below and leave me a comment telling me something exciting that you plan on doing this summer. I will be going to Pensacola next week to visit my family, and I'm so excited about that. Hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.